Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the second signal, that is ramp signal. So what is the meaning of ramp? We all know that ramp is something which is having a slope. So now next question is, what is slope? I think you all know what a slope is in mathematical form. We know, if in our mathematics we got from trigonometry that slope equality basically for a which is having a magnitude and a base. From that we can calculate slope, we know that, right? So that's why, if something is having a magnitude as well as base, so what will be the slope? Slope is nothing but tan theta. So slope, if this magnitude is y and if this base is x, then the slope will be y upon x. We know the formula of slope, nothing but tan theta. So you know, in ramp, as it is a ramp signal, it should have a slope. So what a ramp signal is? Ramp signal is something, suppose I am telling that for time t equal to 0, signal is having a magnitude equal to 0. For t equal to 1, the magnitude is becoming 1. For t equal to 2, the magnitude is becoming 2. In this way it is increasing. So if I draw this in a graph, how the points will be plotted? I can get the points like for both of them. This is t axis and this is my magnitude. So if this is 0, if this is 1, this is also 1. So my next point is here. Now if this is 2, my next point is at 2. So my point is at here. So if I join these lines, it is having this type of feature. So these and this is similar. So what is the slope of this line? Obviously it will be the as we know, the magnitude as well as the time is here same, so we can obviously think of that the slope of this line is nothing but 1. So this is our ramp signal having a slope 1. So the ramp signal which is having slope 1 is called unit ramp, and generally it is expressed with the signal RT. Okay, so we can write that magnitude, that means RT is the magnitude. So magnitude is equal to the time. Okay, so magnitude is equal to time. That's I have, when t is 0, m is 0, t is 1, m is 1. So we can write in the mathematical expression, we can write it as RT, that is the magnitude, is equal to t for t greater than equal to 0. So this is the expression of a unit ramp. Now if it happens, suppose when t equal to 0, the m is becoming 0, but when t equal to 1, the m is becoming 2. If t equal to 2, m is becoming 4. If t equal to 3, m is becoming 6. That means the if you think of the magnitude and the magnitude and the time, then you will find that the slope is becoming 2. That means this, if you write the expression of this signal, the magnitude is basically twice of the time. The magnitude is basically twice of the time. So we can write that expression RT equal to twice of t for t greater than equal to 0. In this way we can express a ramp signal. You can observe, if you observe, you can find ramp signal is nothing but an equation of a straight line passing through origin. So this is the expressions, general expressions of a ramp signal. I hope you have all understood. Thank you.